Welcome to the What's Inside the Box and Tools Required segment for the Craftsman 40-inch plug aerator. In the box you should have 1 tray, Part 1, 2 wheel brackets, Part 2, 1 middle brace, Part 3, 1 hitch bracket, Part 4, 1 tongue, Part 5, 2 end plates, Part 6, 1 lift handle, Part 7, 1 lift lever assembly, Part 8, 2 single spool assemblies, Part 9, 1 shaft, Part 10, 2 double spool assemblies, Part 11, and 2 wheels, Part 12. In the hardware packages you should have the following items: 2 1/2-inch by 3 1/2-inch bolts, Part A, 4 1/4-inch by 1 3/4-inch hex bolts, Part B, 1 1/2-inch by 1 1/4-inch hex bolts, Part C, 8 3/8 16 by 1-inch hex bolts, Part D, 8 5/16 18 by 3/4-inch hex bolts, Part E, 1 large hair cotter pin, Part F, 1 hitch pin, Part G, 2 1/2-inch nylock jam nuts, Part H, 8 3/8 nylock nuts, Part I, 8 5/16-inch nylock nuts, Part J, 8 1/4-inch nylock nuts, Part K, 2 1/2-inch jam nuts, Part L, 1 1/2-inch nylock nut, Part M, 4 3/4-inch flat washers, Part N, 4 1/4-inch by 3/4-inch hex bolts, Part O, 1 Clevis pin, Part P, 1 small hair cotter pin, Part Q, 1 3.7-inch spacer tube, Part R, 1 1-inch spacer tube, Part S, 4 1.33-inch spacer tubes, Part T, 4 1/2-inch washers, Part U, 2 lift stop brackets, Part V, 1 handle grip, Part W, and 8 split plastic bearings, Part X. You'll also need the following tools which are not included: 2 7/16-inch wrenches, 2 1/2-inch wrenches, 2 9/16-inch wrenches, and 2 3/4 wrenches or adjustable wrenches. For additional or missing parts, please contact the manufacturer directly.